Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can download any Instagram post you would like. So for example, let's open Instagram, and as you can see, this is the post I would like to download. So to do that, simply press this three dots in the top right corner, then click on copying link. So after copying the link, make sure you have the app called Instake Downloader, cause that's the one that downloads the post. So simply start opening it. Then open. And if you open it, it will auto-paste the link and start downloading it. And now as you can see, it's been downloaded. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.